Welcome back to the Boro. Well, more for me, but to you, it's back to Australian Leisure. And well, tonight is the Glassboro car show, and this is the first time I've gone down Rowan Boulevard since I've gotten back to campus. And this is the first time I've been on campus since, the whole panorama. So I already noticed one huge change since I was here. The casualty of the, we all know. There used to be, some stores. There's like a brisket thing, then a sub shop. Both those are gone. Pizza Hut's still here though. So yeah, this is gonna be like an update to things going on in the campus region, as well as my last video, the final video of the retro slate, was the 2018 Glassboro car show, and that's gonna be the main event tonight. So yeah, get ready. Here we go. This space has always been bare right here next to the frozen yogurt shop. And I've always thought that a music thing here, like something like Chaplin's in Spring City, or Phantom Power, or a place where bands can hang out and, do other stuff too, making a mix, between, almost kind of like a second rec room in a way you could say. I think there was something similar to that before. Maybe it was there prior, but not familiar with Legend Funding. Last time it was like smaller, like its own pavilion thing down that way over by our classrooms, and there was a. But yeah, we're just gonna start down the back, work way front, and from there I'll wrap it up. So not only is it stretched from all the way over here on this street, seeing us all the way down the main boulevard, as we saw a bit ago. But yeah, I didn't really cover much of this last time because in that context, I had dinner in that diner. And that's how I checked, and the only time I was there was that night. And it was cash only, so I haven't gone back since because it was cash only. But yeah, there's food trucks here, so yeah, that won't matter. We'll see what they have. Saw this baby here a few years back. This is an electric car, a Tesla. Don't remember seeing any of that and the last time we were here. I mean, I just didn't catch it. So I did watch the old video before it came out here. History in there too. I'm not a car person, but that's the comic book shop. We stopped there before going to dinner in those two buildings. I think I've only been on one side and not the other, so. And again, I've only been in that comic book shop that night because when it came to the Powers comics, I wasn't sure where to start. Like, I could start from the beginning, but how do I do that? I think there's like a few anthologies available out there, but yeah, where do I get them? Secondhand? Are they still in print? Again, anything, history or like notes that you see, feel free to pause the video and, get a more in-depth look for yourself. Classic truck. There's a V8 engine in there. This is the Judge. A bit more about info in there. The T-Boro was its own brand at one point. But it's a special emblem there, the Thunderbird, or the T-Bird. A Ferrari, Porsche, kind of fits. Classic cars. Oh yeah, that Lincoln there. No, that's Chrysler. Yeah, I'm not a car person, but I can see where there's quality. Should have paused the video there. A whole row of awesome cars. We even have Doc Hudson right here.
Yeah.
That trunk's held by, you know,
Okay.
kind of like a Harlan.
Damn, that's a 1977 Corvette.
Minion Mobile. Speaking of funnel cakes, just gotta drop the card to that video right here.
Cars are like way over 100 grand.
Didn't notice that big there earlier. Oh, and the driver too. Let them die. Yeah, this is like a car for someone after they get married.
Yeah, no. Look at that one over there.
And then the car next door. I'm going for potatoes, you know. Potato patch, you know. I keep hearing about at the Palace Parks, you know. Not like a barbecue person. Just looking at stuff, but you know, busy. Might come back for the cupcakes or a Haagen-Dazs.
It's high quality.
Okay, so I got these tater tots here. I saw like a loaded thing with like beer cheese, bacon, like sour cream and stuff. Like I think only did beer cheese and and found this $12. You know, I was saying Nail made me think about like almost like if we showed the potato patch and you know Kennywood and the other Palace Parks. Let's see how this goes. It was also one made of the cheese that I get like with the like pretzels that I get like an appetizer, like you know the Wegmans or the Landmark down the other end. And then this street's like chickens and Pete's. I prefer the Landmark chickens and Pete's. So yeah. Yeah, it usually reminds me more of like the cheese from the Culver's cheese curds were melted. That's the vibe I'm getting from these. I was thinking I'm getting 3. 7 with a lot of bacon. I was to a 4 out of 5 yummies. So you see the potato car in your South Jersey region. Going try something. The carnage. So like, I know it's toward the end. There's a kick to the beer cheese here. So I was like giving us a 4. May not perfect. Some people might not like kind of the kick. I'm not just like spice or what, but there is quite a kick to this. See, there's a roller coaster in this video. Streaming Demon, aka Raging Engagement at Port Train Beach. Rip. We have another F100 here. Probably more in paint shop. I do see some myself, I guess. 4x4 Sporting Jacksonville. I might not follow sports, But after the Eagles won the Super Bowl, like kind of rekindled, the road to that actually. Kind of rekindled connection with the, Philly sports, like those teams are, kind of part of my DNA. Might have take a peek too?
He's got a V8 engine. He's got more than 40 horse per cylinder. Sure.
Like a windshield. And this comes to the end of the show. Closing out this video, looking at the new Discovery Hall building. It'll help further with science research at the school. Most of the research today is more medical, because they have 2 medical schools. Has this like earthy and modernist tone to it, kind of fits with sciences and all. But the older brick doesn't really work well, the newer brick of the those rooms over there, or with the Southern Mansion. So this corner building here is gonna be like higher up, more the corner where those 2 built windows are right there. And also by this rock structure here, didn't notice it before. I think that's just gonna be like a barrier between like an outdoor study area and a connection to the back lot there. Because when I started as a freshman, this was all parking lot. And when I left at the start of COVID, they had only just the basic frame up. Yeah, I got some cake and some white and plain chocolate chips, and cookies and cream, froyo place. Cake bets are good. This is a safe bet. That's about doing it from here. Let's be back in the Boro. But soon I should hopefully be off to Spain. Say around Madrid. Get some cool parks over there, so. Yeah, but first we have to get through Halloween. So hopefully actually do some Halloween stuff for once. Keep saying I'll do it, and it never happens. Let's hope 2021 is different.